Did you hear about the storm that hit the regions roundabout of Russia? And a lot of people don't know that Russia is part of the Asia, but it is not. It's not similar to like Vietnam, to China, to Japan, but it is part of the Greater Asia. You can see the Russian letters up there, very clear. But the snowstorm hit them hard, and it hit them by surprise. That's what I interviewed Olga Costiniego, who was from the regions roundabout, and she said that luckily some young men came and dug her out a pathway from her house. And I just think that's humanity doing good, and I wish Russia the best of luck.